Hello everyone, welcome to this Monday service. And once again, this is the review customer number 213. This is the Macbook Air M1 generation. And customer request and send us to replace the screen panel because of the old one was got crack and damage. So let me show you the original ones. This is the one that we replaced, just the internal panel LCD. So now everything's look new, and I'll let you know if you have the same problem, your Mac need to fix or change the screen or change battery. Feel free to contact us at this Monday service for the assistance. Thank you for watching, and gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.